Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a gift from Australia. This comes from Kathleen, and it is an absolute surprise. It is really a surprise because it is Christmas themed time, and I'm getting a Halloween package, but that's how long things take in the mail when you are shipping internationally. It is New Year's Eve that I'm filming this, and I actually this is so cute. I actually have to think about what kind of theme I can reply in that might get to her in time. Maybe Easter, Valentine's Day. Anyway, this is so much fun. I don't even know where to begin. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. My daughter is going to die over this. She is going to love it. She's obsessed with rats, and in a good way, especially hairless creatures. She wants to get like a hairless cat or one of those skinny pigs that is like a guinea pig with no hair. Anyways, those are cute little things. And then some fun candies. Oh, those look good. I think I can imagine what these taste like, and I really like these, but I've never had this specific kind here in Canada. Okay, let's start with one of my all-time favorite things, always embellishment boxes. So this is cute. Look at the spiders. Eek! Ah, that's so funny. This little thing was dangling there. It almost looked like a spider was crawling out of the box. That's too funny. Oh, so these must have been part of that same kit, but they didn't fit into the into the container here, so she put them on the outside, is my guess. Oh, I love it. Googly eyes, perfection. Look at all these little bits and bobs, some different buttons. Oh, what fun. Really neat. Wow, all kinds of different shapes. This is like a potion. Looks like a little potion there. It's like a, oh, it's like a charm. Those are really fun. And all these cute little stickers she's put in here. Puffy stickers. Adorable. Wow, cute little ghosts and goblins. Thread. Oh, some little mini, tiny little clips in there. And pom-poms. Just so cute. These little toothpicks that you could put in like a cupcake. So fun. Oh, I love it. That is really neat. I love the way that she decorated this. And this box itself is perfect size. Look at that. That's a paper clip, that pom-pom. Wow, fun. Okay. This is so much fun. I don't want to wreck this. I like it so much. She has decorated this little envelope. Oh, and there's some little treats in here. Oh, little cola gummies. Cute. That is so cute. I love the way that she packaged it up. That's adorable. Oh, what is hiding in here? Oh, some more candy. Oh, no, something was on here. I bet you it was this. Fun sticks. Ah, we used to have these Popeye brand ones, and they looked like cigarettes. I still remember them when I was a kid, and they taste really quite good. They'll taste like childhood to me. I'll have to share these with my girls. They'll get a kick out of those. Oh, what's in here? It's more candy. I love the way she's decorated. Look at this pumpkin on here. Happy Halloween. I'm trying to think, why is it stuck to the package? I don't want to wreck the package. Oh. I guess I'm going to have to. Well, we'll just cut it like this. That might be where it's glued. There. There we go. Yep, it was glued in. A little mini gummy pizza. Super cute. What? Oh, wow. What is this? Look at this little mini album she's made for me. So cute. I love how she's put these spiders on everything. Oh, wow. It's got embellishments inside. So here she's made a little ribbon. Some handmade bows. Look at how she's stitched every page. What a neat idea. A little flag banner. I love all the detail on that. You can see. Look at these cute little embellishment clusters. Little banners. It's a really neat way to make an album. That is so cute. She puts so much detail in everything. Yay! Sequin mix. This is so interesting how she's made this book. A little broomstick on a straw. Little fringe that she's made. That's so cute. How has she made this album? I have never seen an album constructed like this. It's so neat. And it will stand up nicely like that too. You can see here. Very nice. Very nice. And inside here, what is this? Funness. Oh, some straws. So I could make things like that broomstick that she made. It's an iridescent pink straw. This one's like an iridescent orange. Love this little clip. The cat. Oh, she's stitched a little sequin shaker. It's a fun little embellishment. Ooh, this is a decorated bag. I love this kind of ribbon. I don't have a lot of that rickrack. So cute. Some little tags. Awesome. Little card. Oh, wow. It's like a bookmark, I think. I was like fascinated by this right here. Rest in peace. She has made a coffin. I love this. She's made a coffin shaker. How clever. Oh, it's so cute. That is adorable. Wow. That, I really like that. And she's put some enamel dots on the outside too. What a fun mix she's got in there. Oh, cute little treat bags. Gorgeous doilies. There's a couple there. Ooh, I love this bag. So iridescent. And some little bits of paper. Always believe something wonderful is going to happen. Oh, another really cute bag she's decorated for me. Oh, some caution tape. An envelope. I love these polka dot bags. Wow, that is so fun. I am excited to work on my reply to her, even though it's not Halloween anymore. It's so fun to see different colors. I've been working on a variety of different things themed Halloween and Christmas and Valentine's Day, so it's nice to see these colors. I really enjoyed doing some Halloween projects this year, and these will come in great use next year. And yeah, I really appreciate that. I'm gonna go read my letter. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.